Welcome all of you. Today we will see next point is Fajans rule and applications for polarizing power and polarizability. Generally, ionic solids have high melting point and high boiling point in contrast to covalent compounds. Some of them exhibit relatively low melting point, boiling point, and equivalent conductance. Further, some colored compounds are found to be formed from colorless ions. To account these observed facts, Fajon discussed variation in the degree of covalent character in ionic compounds in terms of polarization effects. According to him, when two oppositely charged ions are brought together at equilibrium distance, cation attracts the electron cloud of anion and repels its positively charged nucleus. This results in distortion or polarization of anion as shown in the following figure. Here there are three figures regarding cation and anion. Figure A shows no polarization. Figure B shows anion polarization, and number C, that is formation of the covalent bond. Here an anion is said to be polarized and the process is known as polarization, which is shown in the figure A and figure B. The power of cation to polarize the anion is known as its polarizing power. The tendency of anion to polarize by a cation is called as polarizability, and the phenomenon in which regular shape of the anion gets polarized or distorted by the cation at equilibrium distance is known as polarization. Next, due to polarization, there is increase in electron density between two ions and acquire some covalent character, causing low melting point and boiling point than exception of ionic compounds. Here shows that increase in degree of polarization increases covalent character of an ionic bond. So stability of ionic compounds increases. The degree of polarization depends on polarizing power of cation and polarizability of anion. Next point is some rules regarding the covalent bond. Number 1, covalent character of ionic compounds increases with decreasing size of cation or increasing charge of the cation. This rule is related to the polarizing power of cation to an anion. It depends upon size and charge of cation. Size of cation. Polarizing power of cation is inversely proportional to its size provided other conditions are similar. Hence, decrease in size increases polarizing power, consequently increases covalent character of ionic bonds. Now, charge on cation. The cation with high charge tends to polarize the electron cloud around the anion. Polarizing power of a cation is directly proportional to charge on cation. Thus, increase in charge on cation increases its polarizing power, consequently increases covalent character of ionic compounds. Now second point is covalent character of ionic compounds increase with increase in anion charge or size. Now charge on anion. Increase in negative charge of an anion increases its polarizability of cation, consequently increases covalent character of ionic compounds. Due to high negative charge of an anion, it gets easily polarized by cation. Now size of anion. Larger the anion, more easily it is polarized by cations, since the electrons are held more loosely. Thus, larger the anions, higher will be its polarizability. Third point, covalent character is greater for cations with a non-noble gas configuration, that is 18 electrons, than for noble gas 8 electrons type configuration. Cations with 8 electrons cause less polarization and undergoes less distortion within themselves than those with 18 electrons structures or pseudo-noble gas configuration. This is because the d electrons in the 18 electrons shell do not shield the nuclear charge effectively. Last point is significance or applications of Pagen's rule. Or next point, increase in polarization increases covalent character of ionic compounds. Number one application, silver fluoride, that is AgF, is soluble in water, but other silver halides are insoluble in it. This is because covalent character goes on increasing from fluorine to iodine. Second application, KCl is insoluble while Ki is soluble in alcohol, as Ki has more covalent character. Number 3, alkali metal chlorides are insoluble in alcohol while lithium chloride is soluble. Number 4, FeCl3 is soluble in ether but AlCl3 is not. And last application, ZnCl2, that is zinc chloride, is more volatile than MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride, and more soluble in organic solvents due to increased covalence.